This is bad. All right, so many apologies to those who may have sat through a 15-hour video yesterday. Whoopsie. Today we're going to finish up as far as we can. Did some major changes last night. As you can see, it's starting to mess with the design because I'm doing two different ones. Also had an issue with the menu over here. And we don't want users having to remember commands to get where they need to go. So what we'll do for right now is just show projects, and this is so I can get through. Yesterday we did the Mountain Goat website. I wish I would have kept the builds. If you saw the video, you saw how terrible they were. And this is clean. And I'm not really sure what that's talking about right there. All right, so this is the GOAT website. Adding more content, does not have a clean, responsive design. And I also need to find out what's the issue with this. On my mobile device, it was working. And then I also have input more changes. So, and as you can see, the whole thing is rocking sideways now. And hopefully, yeah, I'm not gonna put that in right now. Let's see, notifications. And so now these items don't work, which they were working last time. They have put some stuff. Oh, projects is over here now. And I guess this is where they moved the whole user menu to kill off all this menu space that was over here. I don't know how that's gonna work for an admin. Something about this design. Project deleted. Not sure how project deletion has anything to do with that. I think tell Clajama about your business doesn't make sense now since we fixed the issue with it going in. So right now it is going over the task that it has to do. We're going to go ahead and see about creating another project and create a project called oh yeah, let's just try something simple. Weather me. It is a app that shows the weather in a glass morphism style. Use open source API that does not need a API key. See what happens. And so as you can see, oh, there we go. It had a little delay to it, which is, I don't want to see a delay. And we'll have to get this design fixed up again because our colors are yellow and black. I used a different agent who has a different color system. And he pretty much just switched the colors. So we'll see what comes out of this build. I would love to see my prompt here. Would love to see, because if I walk off and come back and be like, what is it building? I don't want to ask that question. So the goal for today is I'm going to show you guys how I operate with a customer. It's about 100 though.